The center has fast-tracked emergency approval for the foreign-produced COVID-19 vaccines that have been in use in other nations. The plan is to add to the basket of vaccines for domestic use and increase the pace and coverage of vaccination. We hope and we invite the vaccine makers such as Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson and others to be ready to come to India as early as possible, V.K. Paul, chairman of the National Expert Committee on Vaccine Administration, said. Russian-made COVID vaccine Sputnik V has already been cleared for emergency use by the Drug Controller General of India. Limited doses of the vaccine will likely be available by the end of this month or early next month. 5 more vaccines are expected to get approval this year. This list includes Johnson & Johnson's BioE, Zydus Cadila, Serum's Novavax and a nasal vaccine from Bharat Biotech. US regulators have recommended a pause on the use of Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine over reports of a rare and severe type of blood clot in 6 out of millions vaccinated. The FDA said over 6.8 million people had been administered the single-dose vaccine in the US, and the FDA and CDC were reviewing data on 6 reported cases of a rare and severe type of blood clot in individuals after receiving the vaccine. Right now, these adverse events appear to be extremely rare. The cases were being analyzed and reviewed, FDA said. Some Bollywood celebrities and cricketers had occupied hospital beds in Mumbai despite having no serious COVID symptoms, Maharashtra Minister Aslam Sheikh said on Tuesday. He said the beds could have been used to admit seriously ill people who needed hospitalization on priority. Some celebrities from the film industry and cricketers have mild symptoms or were asymptomatic, but they got themselves admitted to major private hospitals and occupied beds for longer periods. The textile minister told this to reporters. The minister's remark comes days after cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, who had tested positive for the virus last month, was discharged after spending a few days at a private hospital in Mumbai. He was later asked to isolate at home. According to the report by Reuters, S&P Dow Jones Indices has said that it has removed India's Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited from its sustainability index due to the firm's business ties with Myanmar's military, which is accused of human rights abuses after a coup this year. Adani, India's largest private multi-port operator, is building a $290 million port in Yangon on land leased from the military-backed Myanmar Economic Corporation. In a statement on Tuesday, S&P Dow Jones Indices said that Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited will be removed from the index prior to the open on Thursday, April 15th. The Union Health Ministry on Tuesday pulled up the Maharashtra government, saying that the state is not testing enough and that the share of RT-PCR tests in the state is progressively decreasing. Addressing a press conference on the COVID-19 situation in the country, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra have grown significantly and have reached a high of over 57,000 cases a day. The state's test per million figure is also growing, but it is not keeping pace with the growth of average daily cases, Bhushan said. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.